We provide a childcare service for children from the ages of, I think our youngest has been 3 weeks to 14 years, and we care for children with disabilities and additional needs, as well as able-bodied children. I didn't have any qualifications to do with children. I took lots of qualifications to do with children with disabilities, but I always wanted a bit more, so I decided to do my MVQ level 3, which I absolutely adored and I loved it. And then my assessor pushed me towards doing my level 5.
Helen's won several awards over the last couple of years, and she's an absolute inspiration to future learners, and she uses her qualifications to enhance her business and also to give her experience to students in her setting, and she really inspires other learners.
You're never too old to start your training, and you never know where it's going to lead you either. I certainly didn't think I'd be delivering workshops and training to other childcare professionals when I started, but it's really good and I'm really proud of myself.